Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 1SA hardtop. It has the 7-liter LS7 V8, the 6-speed manual, chrome wheels, carbon fiber package, a Hennessey Supercharger kit, and is painted in Velocity Yellow on black. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So here's our trunk lid. You can see it's got the privacy shade inside the trunk. It's all carpeted nicely. We do have a storage compartment that goes pretty deep down there. And then on this side, we have our battery. All right, we'll close up the trunk and then we'll zoom out. You can see it has the optional carbon fiber roof, and it is painted in a black. Here's that beautiful Velocity Yellow paint, and it has the rear body spoiler done in the body color. Circular tail lights on the C6. This is the last year of the generation. We're going to see the badge here with the 60 years. It was the 60th year of Corvette. And then down below we have the dual exhaust with the quad tips, and it's the polished tips. All right, we'll make our way to the wheels next. So we have these beautiful chrome wheels. It's wrapped in Goodyear tires all the way around. A rear tire size is a 325/30 ZR19. Z06 gets the performance brakes, so you can see the cross-drilled rotors, and we have the red brake calipers. All right, we'll check out that front wheel next. So the front, we're running a 275/35 ZR18, sorry. You can see those performance brakes really fill up that rim, and the red calipers say Corvette on them. All right, we'll make our way to the interior next. So you can see this beautiful black door panel. We got power locks, door release, and windows. And I'll show you the dash on this side. And we got the Corvette in the dash. Open up the glove box. We got books in there. Here's our door jambs. Look how clean this is. We got the Corvette kick plate down there with 60, carpeted mats. Here's your power seat with manual recline. We'll scan the seat. You can see it looks like a brand new seat. And we got the Z06 embroidered in the headrest. All right, we'll close up the door and we'll start back here. Show the profile of that spoiler, and we'll walk down the car. So there's your carbon fiber roof. That's not removable on the Z06. We got the body colored mirrors, and then here's our fenders rolled out with the wide body on the Z06. There's those chrome wheels from that angle. Functional air inlets, and the carbon fiber side skirts painted black, and we got the Z06 505 horsepower badge on the fender. Here's our headlights, HIDs, and they are super crisp. We got the front spoiler done in the black in carbon fiber. All right, we'll check out underneath the hood. That felt good to me underneath there, by the way. Here's our hood. So we have the exposed carbon fiber hood underneath. Look at how beautiful that is. And then down below, here's our power plant. It's the 7-liter LS7 V8, producing 505 horsepower. And as you can see here, we got this supercharger on it made by Hennessey. So it's pumping out a little more than the 505 horsepower. You can see it's got all the proper equipment, Edelbrock. Down there, I see some stainless steel headers, Edelbrock cold air intake. Let's just move over to the next side. And we got the badging plate there with the original specs. And one more view of that hood. All right, we'll close the hood. That was installed when the car was new in 2013, same year. And just check out the paint here. By the way, we haven't even washed this car yet, so this is how it came in. We're gonna do a 5-stage polish on the car, as we do to all cars. You can see here we have a fantastic starting point. Check out the hood, it's got the nice bulge in it. And we got the 427 badges on the side. Here's our rims on this side. And our door panel. So we got the power locks, mirrors, windows, door release, and dash. We do have heads-up display, so that will project onto the windshield. Here's our door jambs on this side. This car is super clean. Down here we got the pedals, there's our mats, and here's our power seat. And check out this. The leather is fantastic. Got the higher bolsters on the backrest on the 2013s, and the Z06 embroidered headrest. All right, we'll jump in. Okay, come on over here. We got heads-up display controls. Here's your dash dimming lights. We got your fuel and trunk door releases. On the steering column, we got manual tilt. And then we have your cruise control, headlights, and your signals. We have your Bluetooth and your audio, your windshield wiper settings. All right, we'll start it up. It's a push button start. All right, it's got a mean sound to it. Check out this wheel, black leather wheel. We got the nice contours here. The leather is like brand new. I can't believe it. 3-spoke design, and we have the Z06. It has the horn cover here. We'll just come into the gauges here. Look at this, analog gauges. Check out the odometer. That's right, only 7,658 kilometers on this car. It doesn't get much better than this in a C6. We got the visors up here. We have your light sensitive mirror and your compass built in. Down here we got the nice trim piece. There's vents. We got the CD player, dual zone climate control, and then we have your ashtray and 12-volt socket or your cigarette lighter. You can see it isn't brand new. Then we have your driver information system. Here's your 6-speed manual transmission. We have cup holders, traction control, and we have your manual e-brake style handle. Here's a console lid. On my hand you can see the depth of it, and a 12-volt socket. All right, we're gonna open up the door here. Now we can hear this engine idle here. We'll throw in the lights and let's give it a few revs.